start on the inside because we're going to play it like this. Very good. And 1 and 2, 3 and 4, and 1, 2 and 3 and 4. Now go up and down, up and down, and up and down, and up and down. Okay. Now everybody, let's add in our sway. So let's sway from side to side. Now add your smile. Take it easy. Smile. Now let's add our knee.